US index this week has made a bullish breakout, and we can see after the price has formed a bullish breakout, this bearish breakout, it was invalidated with the next candle where the price turned all the way back up, and then the price continued to rise in value with this bullish candle, and then the price stayed just in between this resistance and the support level right here. A weekly time frame shows us indecision candle after the price has formed in the previous week a bullish breakout. This was confirmed with this candle, really because the price did not return all the way back down below this support level 105.64 and closed the candle body below that, but the price has closed the week at the same price as it has opened. So currently this is information that there is indecision between the buyers and the sellers. A monthly time frame candle has just closed, and we can see this is a bullish candle. After the price has formed this bullish candle, the price formed bearish candle, and then currently again bullish. So we can see very easy that the price is bouncing between these two price levels, and it has problem finding its way to make a bullish or bearish breakout outside of this area. So for the monthly time frame, we can see this is a very important resistance level that needs to be broken, and on the lower side the support needs to be broken. If the price makes a breakout next month, it will be indication for the further rise in value to the next support or resistance levels here, to the next resistance here, or if the price makes a breakout on the lower side, to the next support right here. A weekly time frame shows me that currently I am expecting that the price will continue to rise in value and reach this area around 106.38, because this is an indication for the further rise in value. There are no sellers to push the price down to the support level 105.64. A daily time frame shows us currently what is visible, and that is that the price is stopped just in between this resistance and the support level. After the price tried to move down, the price continued to rise further, and we can see on the daily time frame the price is currently in the uptrend, so I am expecting that the price will reach this area, and we can see it is a very important resistance levels that needs to be broken, like in this example, in order to continue to rise in value. If that doesn't happen, the price will stay up here until the price makes a bearish breakout here, which will move the price down, or a bullish breakout to go up. This is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.